In this video, I'm gonna be making a save data, the thing I was talking about in my last video. So I'm just gonna redo a leader stats real quick, and then we'll get into that script. Okay, so this is our leader stats script, and we're gonna make another script in service script service. We're just gonna rename it to save data, and now we can get to working on it. So we're gonna start off by getting the service data store service. So we're gonna do local ds equals game get service data store service, and then we can also do a get data store, and then name it save data. Then you're gonna do game.players.player added connect function player or PLR. Then you can do, I'm gonna do a wait and local PLR key equals ID in quotations dot player dot user ID. So what this is doing is it's adding the player, and it's getting the player's user ID by just player.user ID. Yeah. Local save 1 equals player dot leader stats dot cache. So this is going into the player, and this is what we're saving. So you can have save to player.leaderstats dot and something else. So under this, you're gonna do a local get saved equals ds get async player key. So it is this, what it's doing is it's grabbing the player's user ID and it's saving the user ID. And then you can do if get saved, then save one dot value equals get saved, and we're creating a table. So this is making a table of the listed item of the save, or what's in the player key, and you just have to do get saved, then 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as you have. Then you have to do a else local number for saving, or you can name it whatever, equals save one dot value. I forgot what these are called, but yeah, save one dot value ds get async player key and comma number for saving. And under here you're just gonna do game.players.player removing connect function player and ds set async id dot dot player dot user id comma player dot leader, I think these are brackets, leader stats dot cache dot value. So what this is doing is when it's removing, it's going to set what we are saving. It will set it to that, and when you join back, it's gonna stay the same. So we're just gonna do a else print, or you can't do else there. If how could I do this? Here, if ds async, then print saved data dot dot for space dot dot player dot name, else print data could not save for, and then dot dot player dot name. Okay, so if we play this, right, you have to enable API services for it to work. So you just go down to game settings, you have to publish the game, name it whatever. I'm gonna just do tutorial. Yeah, that's definitely how you spell it. Yes. Close. Then you go back to game settings, security, and enable API services. Save and play. So now, if we join and go to our server, go down to leader stats cache, change this to 400. We have 400 cache. Stop it. Output should say that it's saved when we leave. Data could not save. Data store request. If request queue fills further, request will be try sending for your request ID. It might be because I put this here. If get saved. Maybe just because of this. So we can turn this into a local set saved equals. So if set saved where player dot name. Okay. I mean, it did save. It did save. Data could not save for more. Set saved, print else. I think it's just printing the else the whole time. So data is saving. It shouldn't print anything if it's not. So yeah. So the data did save. So that's how you do a save data. Or save data storage. Yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Why isn't it printing? It should be printing.